Welcome. This is how to make beats so low louder on your iPhone. So guys, to do this process, first thing is just simply go to the settings into your device. Now over here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here accessibility. So go ahead and tap on it. And now if you scroll down over here, you should be able to see here audio and visual. So go ahead and tap on it. From here, guys, you could just simply select Headphone Accommodations and just simply tap on it. And from here, just simply turn this on. And when you turn it on, you will have an option over here, Balance Tone, and you could just simply put it into a strong one. And as you can see, soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately, or strongly. Another one is just simply scroll down on the settings and go for the sounds and haptics. And from here, you will have an option to turn on or higher the volume of the sounds. And now you could just simply go ahead and scroll down as well. And you will have an option over here, volume limit. And you could also go for the headphone safety. Now from here, you can turn on reduce loud audio and you can just simply adjust the decibel over here. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.